Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can temporarily deactivate your account in the Snapchat app. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes, and also write your comments at the end of the video. So let's go ahead and get into this topic. First of all, please open the Snapchat app on your phone. Next, in the top left corner, click on your profile picture. Now on your profile in the top right corner, tap on the gear to go to Snapchat settings. Here in the settings, you'll need to scroll down to the very bottom and find a feature here called Delete Account. Click on it. After this page loads, you'll need to enter your Snapchat username or your email into this box. After that, you will need to enter your password for the Snapchat app and click Next. And you will be taken to a page where you will be told that your Snapchat account will be deactivated for 30 days or 1 month. And if you agree to that, then you'll need to enter your username and just click Next. But keep in mind that after those 30 days, if you don't log back into your Snapchat account in those 30 days or log in, it will be automatically deleted. If you are happy with this option, then you will need to keep your username or your password. Click Next, and automatically your Snapchat account will be deactivated for exactly 30 days. Friends, this is the way you can deactivate your Snapchat app account in the meantime. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, write comments, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.